Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, I want to talk about how Bitcoin is leaving the station. You have an unprecedented opportunity to get on board before the rest of the world wakes up to its potential. Let's explore the history of technological adoption, Bitcoin's position as the apex predator of assets, and why it's the currency of the future. Technology has always been feared. Throughout history, every revolutionary technology was met with fear and skepticism. The car, people laughed at it, calling it noisy, dangerous contraption. They thought horses were just fine. The internet, in the 1990s, it was dismissed as a fad. Why use email when I can just send a letter? That was the main sentiment at the time. Bitcoin is no different today. Many people think it's unnecessary, speculative, or risky because they don't understand it yet or see the need for it. But just like the car and the internet, Bitcoin is poised to become a transformative force in our world. Bitcoin's place among global assets. Global assets total $900 trillion. Bitcoin now sitting at a mere $2 trillion, a tiny speck compared to real estate, gold, stocks, and bonds. But here's why Bitcoin is different. It's the apex predator of assets. Unlike gold, it's portable and verifiable. Unlike stocks and real estate, it's independent of any centralized entity. As the world wakes up to its superiority as a store of value, Bitcoin will eat into these markets. Imagine the wealth transfer as Bitcoin's market cap grows from 2 trillion to 10 trillion and then 100 trillion and beyond. Bitcoiners aren't here for the short term. We think in decades, centuries, and even millennia. Why? Fiat currencies like the dollar will eventually fail, as all fiat systems have throughout history. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply and decentralized network, has the technical resilience to last for thousands of years. Imagine a future where humanity becomes interplanetary. Bitcoin isn't just the currency of Earth, it's the currency of the solar system. A financial network like Bitcoin, free from manipulation and censorship, will be vital for the future of civilization. Don't miss the train. This is your chance to adopt Bitcoin while it's still early. Right now, Bitcoin is small, misunderstood, and feared, just like the car or the internet in their infancy. But those who see its potential today are positioning themselves for unparalleled returns tomorrow. Every dollar you convert to Bitcoin today is a step toward financial sovereignty and a brighter future for generations to come. The train is leaving the station, and Bitcoiners are already on board. Thinking about the long haul, don't get left behind. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.